Hi, in the last video I showed you how to create this form, and this video, as promised, we will cover the settings part. This part is about evaluations. For example, if you have created a training and you will add an evaluation, you need to make it as quiz and change your settings here, but for our case it's not that, so I will not cover it. And here's what is important for us. For example, if we want to collect emails, so I will go to verified, send responses, a copy of their responses, and if we want people who submitted their application to have a copy of their responses, I will make this as even when requested or always, but in our case I would go for off. If you want them to be able to edit the responses, I will make this, and for our case I only want one response, so I will do this as well, and I don't want them to change their responses. And for the presentation, for example, if I have a very long form, it's better to show the progress bar so they can see if they will finish soon or not. And we have the shuffle question order. It's when you want your questions to appear randomly. We will activate it, but in our case we will not. If I want people to have a confirmation, so I will write my message here, for example, thank you for submitting your application, blah 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 blah. If I want to share the results with other people, I will say activate this. Okay, this one is for me the most important setting here, which is disable autosave for all respondents. Usually Google form, when you fill a form and you don't complete it, when you go to it again, you will have your responses and you can finish your application. If I activate this, people will lose their responses. I don't want to do that, so I'm gonna deactivate it. And these are the default sections. For example, if I want all my questions to be mandatory, I will activate this. If I always want to collect my emails, I will go to verified, and like that every form I create will have this default settings. Voila, these are the settings in Google Form. In the next video we will cover the response part, so make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the video. Thank you.